Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator, because only admins can change sign-in behavior. Once ready, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. This is where Windows controls passwords, PIN, and auto sign-in. Make sure you have your current password handy. You'll need it to confirm changes. You're not removing security yet, you're just changing how Windows prompts you. Proceed to the next step, to switch to automatic login, or remove the sign-in requirement. Now you'll either convert a Microsoft account to a local account or use NetBlue to enable automatic login. If you have a Microsoft account, go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow your info, and choose Sign in with a local account instead. This removes cloud authentication requirements. Next, press Win+R, type NetBlue, and hit Enter. Select your user, uncheck the box labeled Users must enter a username and password, click Apply, and enter your current password to confirm the automatic sign-in. That's why you needed it. Finish by restarting your PC to verify Windows logs in automatically. That proves the change took effect. If you also want no password after sleep, go to Sign-in Options and set Require Sign-in to Never. This controls wake behavior. If automatic login fails, reopen NetBlue to re-enter credentials, or, for advanced users, check registry keys. Auto admin logon, default username, default password. Make sure you can still access recovery options. If anything goes wrong, re-enable the password immediately to protect your data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.